Welcome this video. Pallet wood project create gardening furniture idea. Recycle and upcycle have become aspect of modern living and one of the most popular way to convenient to sustainability is by the purple wood pallet. Those have shape tool are incorrect. Versatile balance front and style when transforming into gardening furniture. If you look to enhance your outdoor space with personally and palette would often handle opportunity to explore the benefit of use palette wood, the type of furniture of your create tool and maximize the step by step project idea. Type of finish and main interest your price. When use pallet wood for gardening furniture, before divide into the special project, it is inspire of understanding pallet wood is idea for gardening furniture. Affordable pallet are often available or free at low cost. Switch business warehouse cycle user friendly furniture. Pallet help wash and supported centrability. Versatile with a bit of image palette you can build into various and type of furniture for set to stone. Rustic aesthetic. Palette would have a natural weather look that first impression in gardening set. How to choose the right palette? Not all pallets are soft and furniture built. Follow those type when select. Choose for HT step only. Use pallet step with HT and not MB. Trend palette can be boosted. Choose convenient. Wood dash step with convenient various. Expect for patrolling makes up that wood during for free top pallet gardening Furniture product. Here are create idea for term pallet wood into stream gardening functional. Pallet soft or outdoor lounge. Pallet soft is one of the most spare and style add to the gardening. It's perfect for entrance lying under the sun. How to build? Step 2, pallet harmonium for the set. Use one of the two various at the breaken. Switch by bring. Sand furniture pallet for inspire. Add outdoor for a finished look. Use cost while on the button for mobile. Pallet coffee table. Pad your pallet soft with the mat coffee table. How to build? Cut the pallet in roll of use. Pallet depend on your size. Add a second pallet underneath of height and story. Install glass on top for a more refined finish. Pallet dining table or bring. Create a rustic outdoor dining space that accommodate guests for gardening or family meeting. How to build? Shows when pallet board for the tabletop. Build a frame used stored pallet long or cut post. Match bring. Use smart pallet or cut dough boat. Throwing a sitting with a water raw finish. Finish and productive your pallet furniture. Ballast gardening furniture is explored to the element finish, smoted or surface for removing edge, appear and outdoor wood to productive again and sun. Use explode to add color productive life.